Wait, what? Why? I was logged out of Animal Jam? Okay. Hey everyone, it's Apari here, and welcome back to another brand new Animal Jam video. Now, before you just saw that I got logged out, I was making my way downtown through Animal Jam like I normally do on a daily basis. And I just came to the realization of something, that there is a lot of weird rare items in Animal Jam. Like, I never really realized it before, but the more and more that I look at the items in Animal Jam, the more weird items I find that people actually obsess over that are rare. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about some of the weirdest items in Animal Jam that became rare. Let's get started. So the first item that I see people wearing all the time that people absolutely obsess over, and actually used to be rare in the game before 2014, are gazelle horns. That's right, and you might be thinking to yourselves, Apari, why do you find this thing weird? Because they're just like horns that you put on your animal. They're not that weird, right? Well, think about it, guys. How did Animal Jam get these gazelle horns? Yup, you guessed it. Animal Jam killed gazelles to get these horns. That is just dark, man. That is the complete opposite reason of why people joined Animal Jam. People joined Animal Jam to save animals, not kill gazelles and get the horns off of them to wear them as items on our animals. Like, what even is Animal Jam promoting nowadays? So yeah, guys, I'm not sure if I'm the only one who finds wearing gazelle horns on Animal Jam a pretty weird thing, but hopefully I'm not the only one, and if you agree with me, then leave a like on this video. Then the next weird rare item up on this list is actually an item that is in the top 10 rarest items that my friend Bruiser has, and he's actually letting me wear it for this video, so huge shout out to my boy Bruiser. But yeah, this beta eye has to be one of the weirdest rare items, and as you just saw, Snowy called me like really frightening right there. Like, this item is literally just one big eyeball that you put on your head and it stares at people. It can't really get much weirder than that for an item. And then on top of that, putting it on the scariest animal in all of Animal Jam, the sloth, it just makes for one really sick combination. Look at this, guys. Just look at this. This thing is more monstrous than Falls Chapter officials look. And this outfit is probably one of the weirdest looks I've ever seen on Animal Jam. So yeah, the beta eye, definitely one of the weirder rare items there. And once again, thanks to Bruiser for letting me wear it in the video. And you know what, guys? I think I'm actually gonna scare him. I'm gonna take off the eye and I'm gonna say I recycled it and see his reaction. Oops, I accidentally recycled your eyeball hat. Oh my god, guys, this suspense is real. What's his reaction gonna be? Surprised face. You bean! Oh my god, guys, he called me a bean. What the heck? You know what? I'm actually gonna keep the eyeball hat now. No one calls Apari a bean and gets away with it. Nah, obviously I'm just kidding, guys. I'm trading it back to him right now. Apari is not a scallop. I would never scarf one of my buddies. Then another item that I just found as I was scrolling through my inventory, and I took a second and I like thought about it, and I thought about how weird they were, and it's the tikis. Just look at this thing. Look at the design. Look at the facial things on it. It looks so weird, and if I ever saw someone in real life wearing a tiki mask like this, I would probably not talk to that person. So, yeah, that just goes to show how weird it is. And like, honestly, I can't even describe why it's so weird. It's just, if you look into the eyes of the tiki mask, you will be creeped out without a doubt. Oh my god, I just rhymed. And the last weird rare item we're going to be talking about in today's video are the rare spiked collars. Now, a lot of you probably disagree with me here, since you're probably spiked collar fanboys, since they're the most popular item in the whole entire game. But just give me a chance here, okay? So first of all, these things are legitimately spiked collars. Just look at the spikes on these things, and they look like if you touch them, it would make you bleed instantly. And also, in Animal Jam, I'm pretty sure we're wild animals and we're not dogs, okay? I'm pretty sure dogs are the only things that ever wear spiked collars. We're putting spiked collars on sloths. Like, come on, Animal Jam, that isn't safe. That is the complete opposite of safe. But yeah, guys, I want to issue a challenge to all of you out there to leave a comment in the comment section down below, naming 3 other items that you personally think are weird in Animal Jam yourself. And also, I want to challenge all of you watching this video right now, just a fun little thing to do, to make a really weird looking outfit out of weird items that you just randomly find around AJ. And with that being said, I think that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I'm gonna wrap it up in my den with these 2 crocs right here. They got some pretty weird outfits on right now. And guys, if you agreed with anything that I said in this video, or just enjoyed it in general, please go ahead and slap a like on it. We're gonna go for a huge goal here at 6,000 likes. Let's see if you guys can break that. And with that being said, don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye!